So can we get to 45 billion by 2033? Now, this is on the high end of the estimation for the entire cellular IoT marketplace. So again, to include 5G, et cetera. Well, I'd say as we come towards the end here, like here are some of the signals to pay attention to that signal that, that crazy number is possible, right? So infrastructure investments they're ongoing, and they set the stage for the kind of pull through of market adoption associated with the you know increasing number of devices that are being built that can be part of an LTE IoT network, in a way that could we be kind of setting the stage for this next stage of 5G MMCT, this massive IoT. I'd say that is something to look at is just the number of service providers, their various networks, the number of their networks, and then the success of that will kind of point towards, all right, we're kind of ready for this kind of these massive 5G networks. Um, all right. And I mentioned kind of the growing number of devices. I threw a number out there, 3,000. Well, maybe by the time we have 3,000 connected, that is going to be enough to scale the capabilities for applications across a broader set that's going to increase the overall market to 45 billion. We'll see. And any breakthroughs, let's kind of point at some of this. I've already talked about platforms, but any breakthroughs involving ultra low power chipsets, as well as encryption and custom miniaturization. I made a note of a company there out of South Dakota, kind of a smaller uh, custom print 3D printing company, but very interesting. They've got I was at a show just the other day, and they got these kind of capability to build these super tiny custom modules and pieces of a system, and it's those kind of things that can kind of lead to the broader market adoptions. So I just made a note of them because I thought it was interesting. It's those kind of breakthroughs that I think are going to be helpful